Hey, guess what? I am super excited. I will be doing an unboxing today. This, I believe, is my first unboxing. I've done a couple of product hauls for my international food haul and Five Below. So those are available if you want to check those out. But today, I will be unboxing this camera that I purchased from Amazon.com. I will leave the link to this exact item below in the description box. So let's see what all is in here. All right. All right. Sesame. So, just a little background. I decided to go ahead and invest in a good camera. It has been years since I have purchased an actual camera, a digital camera, or a camera of any kind. I have like an older like digital camera, but anything that's similar to like a camcorder, it's been years. And when I say years, we're talking 2005, 6, 2007-ish. So let's see what we have here. All right, so the price for this unit was very reasonable. Um, and based on what was listed in its contents, I felt like for the price, it was definitely worth it. So, just one, our first item. Let's see what we have here. Okay, looks like we have an additional lens. Awesome. Awesome. An additional lens. All right. So already I am starting to see the value in this particular product. An HD cord, HDMI port, excuse me, HDMI. Awesome. It looks like it has USB and HDMI. Yeah, I am already seeing the value in this particular product. You will not believe the price. A tripod, awesome. So these tripods are bendable, so you can get shots, and also you can put them together like this and use it as a like a selfie stick of sorts. So, like I said, I'm already seeing the value in this particular camera. All right, lens wipe, awesome. It's definitely a go. An additional cord. So here we have what looks like, ooh, the ability to attach this to a phone and USB, or possibly battery charger, or directly to your camera, from your camera to your computer. Total plus. Total plus. A remote control. Look at that. Awesome. A whole remote control. So this is definitely going to make recording fun and easy. All right. So we have a battery here, lithium battery for the camcorder. Ooh, charging station. Charging station for the battery. So that's plug-in charger. Awesome, awesome. Ooh, and guess what? Two batteries. Two batteries. That's definitely a plus. So you have your primary and a secondary. All right, awesome. So in addition to the charging station, it will come with two batteries as well. So wow, so far for the price that I paid for this particular camera, I've counted 10 items so far, and I haven't even gotten to the camera. Okay, so looks like some type of auxiliary cord. Okay, okay. Look at that. It's a holder. This is a holder. If you're familiar with a selfie stick, this is an attachment that actually allows you to secure your camera to this tripod. Awesome. So that's product what, 1011. Wow. Mic. mic for the camera. Look at that. And it's a good quality. Good quality. And it also has adjustments on here for decibels. Right, so you can manage your input output levels. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. So, and the main reason I purchased this particular package, and it comes with a nice little case here to keep it clean and protected. Velcro. Look at that. There's my camera. All right, so I can already tell you that for the price I paid um, for this camera, it was totally worth it. So one of the features that I know that I really liked is, of course, there's a lens cover. Okay, so one of the features that I know that I was really campaigning for was this baby right here. That is awesome. So not only does it open so that you can see what you need to see. Hi, Connie Samreen. You can actually turn it and pivot it as needed. Look at that. How cool is that? That's good stuff. This is a good product. So on the inside, you will see the control panel there, and it has your power button, your modes, menus, and then this is your zoom in, zoom out is there, which is pretty awesome. All right. So this is great. And you even have a button here for taking still photos as well. So this is pretty cool. There's also an attachment here for either mic or additional lighting, which is great. On the bottom, there's an opening for, it looks like the batteries, yeah, batteries, and there's space for an SD card as well, which is phenomenal, beautiful. And I have plenty of those, so it is not a big deal that one was not included. You will rarely see SD cards included with your electronic purchases, even with game systems and things like that. So awesome. And then there's the little place where you would attach your stand. Very nice, very nice. All right, so here in the back, let's see what we have here. It's like a port for yes, for your HDMI, a mic. You can actually oh, okay, you can attach your mic that comes with it. Okay, I see there's the hole there, and so that would be what this cord was for your mic. That's your mic cord. So see there, has your HDMI and then your additional USB and your mic outlet there. Very nice. So there's your record button. All right, this is a very simple, high functioning camera, and it was totally worth the investment. So if you click the link below, it will lead you to the product and pricing and the list of all of the functions. Here is what the box looks like. It will say F FHD with night shot. And also there are instructions. There's an instruction manual, user's manual included. Yep. There. And then there's even a separate packet or informational sheet for the microphone, which is awesome. Very good. So all these great products that were included in this package, totally worth the purchase. I'll be sure to leave my review on Amazon.com. Again, the link for this exact product will be in the description box. Please check it out if you're in the market for a good solid camera. Even a case for the additional lens. Wonderful. I am so far very pleased with this product and I look forward to using it. Once I have used it, I will give a separate rating on, or I will edit my rating, adding what my thoughts are concerning like the quality of my videos and ease of use. All right. So thank you for checking out this product unboxing, and I look forward to leaving more information about the actual product once I have put it to use.
Mario. Game over. Game over.
So it's all put together, and this is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool product. I am looking forward to recording with it and giving feedback on how it turns out. So if you like this product review and unboxing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. Thanks. Take care.